Hi friends, it's Abby from OP, and I just wanted to let you know about a camp that we have coming up, our Mad Science Summer Camp. So this camp is going to be all about how to do really cool, easy science experiments with stuff that you just have around the house. And we'll walk you through them, we'll do them together. It's going to be a ton of fun. You might be thinking like, well, what could I possibly do with just like random stuff I have around the house? The answer is actually a lot. You can do a lot of really cool, just like quick science experiments with really basic supplies. For example, one really cool thing you can do is an experiment that involves an egg, an empty jar, and some vinegar. Vinegar is acidic, right? So if I put this eggshell or this egg in a jar and cover it in vinegar, what's gonna happen is the shell is gonna get softer and softer and softer until eventually you can just rub the shell off, but the membrane that holds the egg together will still be intact, and then you can have this really cool egg in a jar where you can see inside the anatomy of an egg while it's still whole. So here's what you're gonna need to do, is get your jar, make sure it has a lid, and then you're gonna put your egg in and fill your jar up as much as you can, and then you're gonna go ahead and set that down, and you're gonna wait for at least 48 hours. I decided that instead of waiting 48 hours, which is what I told you to do, I was gonna leave you with a little bit of a teaser and show you what happens after 24 hours. As you can see, the vinegar has really started to work on the shell and break it down, and you can tell because it's got all this foamy white gunk up at the top, which is dissolved eggshell. So I'm gonna try and get this out of here really quick. Ooh. It smells very vinegary. Okay, I got it. So this is my egg. As you can see, it's almost translucent, and look, it's squishy. And this now is just basically the membrane. And if you leave the egg in here, I'm gonna put it back in because I don't want to pop it. Ooh. If you leave the egg in for longer, eventually all of that white will disappear and you'll just be able to see the yolk inside. And it's really cool. If you want to see what that looks like, you should come and do this Mad Science Camp with us, because it's going to be a ton of fun and probably smelly and a little messy, but still pretty cool. I mean, what cool things aren't smelly and messy? So, you know, you can find out how to register on our website at opheliasplace.net. And of course, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I hope we'll see you then. Bye.